Shopify Dropshipping Store in 5 minutes with Spocket. Hello everyone, today I'm going to guide you through setting up a Shopify Dropshipping Store as quickly as possible using a fantastic tool called Spocket. So if you've ever wanted to start a dropshipping business but felt overwhelmed by the product sourcing, shipping, and finding reliable suppliers, this is a session for you. If you're tired of going to Alibaba or the other normal, casual, most trivial, and the usual drop shipping sourcing suppliers, you should head over to Spocket. So in this video, I'm going to discuss what Spocket is, its key features, and how it can simplify the drop shipping process for you. I'm also going to show you how you can have a step-by-step integration of Spocket onto your Shopify store in just a few minutes. So what is Spocket? Essentially, Spocket is a dropshipping app that connects Shopify store owners with a curated selection of high-quality suppliers, which are primarily based in the US, Europe, Canada, and Australia. It offers such a wide variety of products from fashion and beauty to electronics and home decor. So it makes it such a versatile choice for any sort of niche you're running off with. You can also integrate it with Voo.com, Wix.com, eBay, Shopify, Alibaba, and so many more. So why would you want to use Spocket for dropshipping? Here's exactly why it's such a great choice for your Shopify dropshipping store. Spocket has a curated list of suppliers that ensures that you have access to high-quality products from reputable manufacturers. This is going to help you avoid issues related to your low-quality or counterfeit items, which can absolutely harm your store's reputation. So let's get started by heading over to Spocket, which is Spocket.com. You can either log in or click on Get Started. The second best feature is that it offers faster shipping time. So since most of the Spocket suppliers are based in the US, Europe, and Western countries, shipping times are significantly reduced compared to the traditional drop shipping from China. So this means happier customers and fewer complaints about long delivery timings. You also have the beautiful option to have automated order fulfillment. So you can have Spocket automate the entire order fulfillment process. So once a customer places an order onto your Shopify store, the product is automatically sent to the supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This is going to save you so much of time and reduces the chance of manual errors. It also has a branded invoicing, which is one beautiful and unique feature of Spocket is this branded invoicing where you can include your store's logo and custom notes onto your invoices. And by doing that, it gives your customers more personalized and homely and professional experience, which can help build and foster your brand loyalty. They also have such wide product variety. As you can see, there's so many different options from trending to tech accessories to gifts, sports and outdoors, and kids and babies products. So it's like almost any niche that you want to go into. So this flexibility enables you to experiment with different niches and quickly adapt to the market trend. Now let's start off by integrating Spocket with your Shopify store. Now that you know what Spocket is and its features, so let's head over to Shopify.com. Make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store here, and then quickly head over to the dashboard. From the dashboard, we are going to head over to Shopify App Store, and then we're going to start off by searching for Spocket. You're going to click here and scroll all the way down and click on Shopify App Store, and then make a search for Spocket in the search bar. You can see it came up onto the top right left-hand side of the screen, and what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on install. Now to install that, it's going to take a moment for it to install Spocket. We're going to be redirected to the Spocket dashboard. Here we can set up our account by entering the store's detail, intuitively allowing them to take our personal data, edits in store. You're going to simply click on install, and we're going to be prompted to create this Spocket account, or you can also log into one if you already have one. Like here we are, I believe, into the Spocket's dashboard. It's going to take a while. Now that this is installed, we're redirected to the Spocket dashboard. Here we can set up our account by entering either the store details, or we can choose our preferred country, or you can just, as you can see over here, it's already logged in based off my Shopify account. So they're just asking us what category I want to sell in. Let's pick up for them based on what's trending, but I'd rather sell women's clothing. Let me click on continue. And here, what we're doing is we're just browsing and importing products. We're going to select which sort of products we are looking for. Is it US, EU, or AliExpress? Let's just go with US and European suppliers. We've selected the region. It's either I want to sell in Asia, so I'm going to click continue once again. And from here, I believe we're going to start finding a product we like. Just click on continue, and then they're gonna ask us to either enter in your basic details, so you can head over with the payment plans that they have, or start off with a free payment plan and stuff. So then from here, once it's integrated, once you have a free payment plan and once you've entered in your credentials, it's going to lead you to its dashboard, where basically, let me show you the dashboard and how it works. Spocket. From here, you can just simply start off by adding and pushing products onto your Shopify store. And once everything is done, you're going to set up automated order fulfillments, just like this. This is app of the Spocket. Just continue on with this. All steps are done. From here, we can select and track the status of orders and monitor inventory levels, and directly from the Spocket dashboard, without making it easy to manage our store, without usually manually handling orders. Now here we have few tips for maximizing sales with Spocket. So to make the most out of your Shopify store using Spocket, you're going to have to focus on high demand products. Exactly from here, you're going to be focusing on high demand products, looking out for best-selling products to filter to find popular items. These products can have a higher chance of selling well, especially if you're targeting a trending niche. The second one is you offering free shipping. So you're going to be looking for suppliers that offer free or discounted shipping over here. So that in turn is going to help increase your conversion rate, as customers are more likely to complete a purchase when there are no extra shipping fees. Third is that you can test the products with sample orders. So you're going to order samples to check the product quality before listing them onto your store. This is going to help you maintain quality control and provide better customer satisfaction. You can also use branded invoicing. You're going to have to take advantage of Spocket's branded invoicing feature to include your logo and personalized notes. This enhances your brand's image and can lead to repeated customers. And to conclude that, all I have to say is that Spocket is a powerful tool that can help set up Shopify's dropshipping store quickly and efficiently. So with its high quality suppliers, fast shipping timing, and automated order fulfillment, it streamlines the entire process for you, allowing you to focus on growing your business. So if you're ready to start your dropshipping journey, head over to Shopify App Store, install Spocket, and start exploring the wide range of products available. With just a few simple steps, you can have a fully operational dropshipping store in 5 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video, and I hope this video has given you the confidence to integrate Spocket with your Shopify store and take your dropshipping business to the next level.